Everybody, how's everyone doing? Thanks for checking out this video. This is Monday, February 13th. We are looking at NAS100. As you can see, we've made a pretty decent bullish push overnight, exiting a 30-minute or a 4-hour gold bar. This gold bar down here. We took some buys last night. It was pretty fun watching the Super Bowl, seeing what happened on the charts. Anyway, we exit the gold bar here, 4-hour order block, pushes up all the way almost to the next gold bar, and now we're in a simple retracement phase. We're seeing a minute dot print. We'll see if it respects this area. This is an area of consolidation that we're in right now. So roughly this area here, if we get beneath it, we can continue to see lower price ranges. We have our GAN flip. We did exit a order wick field there. Zone. We are beneath here, so I can get rid of these. Now we're targeting this whole bullish push up gave us these zones here. Pop them up on the screen. So we could see a retracement back down to the 38 fib level, maybe the 50% fib level, potentially. See, I'm not exactly sure. But yeah, we're just gonna watch this thing, kind of see how it develops. Of course, we have the New York Stock Exchange open at 8:30. So whether if you're watching live with me on this Zoom or later on YouTube, get some value out of what we are looking at today. All right. This is it's happening. So AI is saying we are hitting the top of the bearish channel, potentially coming back down to touch the middle of this channel this week. See how these spikes here at the top give us the volume. Those are the candles we want to look for. We'll get those. Well, they got them at overnight, 2 a.m., 3 a.m. Push up. So now we will see how much of this retracement we're going to get into. Potentially targeting this level, 12,325. On a line there. Call it green. Just see. Here. And at 30 minute has ways to go up to mitigate some imbalances at the higher price range. This retracement could potentially $1,200. Shall see. Modify this take profit real quick. Like that, 160 points, which would be amazing. Drop down to a lower time frame. Signal here to sell. Just watch this guy to see when it starts to dip down. Watch these guys to see how much it dips down. Maybe it comes and touches this yellow line and retrace. You got the big Gann map in the middle of an arc. Accumulation distribution is kind of dipping down. We get into when it flips to red, it's a good sign to hold. $5-minute, we'll target resistance, the top of the resistance, which would be Asia high, 12,315. This looks like it's the first pause of this whole bullish push up. So we could potentially be looking for a continuation to go higher to the mountain, 12,685. Looking for above this 30-minute level here. Go 10 points above. Like consolidation area. Okay, let me go to 4 hour. This 4 hour candle is bullish. Rejecting that level there. Let's look at the daily levels. Just gonna wait this one out. Level on trading view. It's the bottom of our 4 hour candle. Bottom of our 4 hour bar is telling us that's the daily level. So daily level. Some bearish moves last several days. Of course, we have this huge trend line of liquidity sitting there. The daily level. So we'll target 1-to-1 for now. 6 points pre-market. Ain't nobody mad at that. Here. Oh, here's our 30-minute outlook. Open. For this open. Down. Just some of these lines. Okay, take me to the 30-minute on carbon. Let's see if we got some kind of fib situation going on here. Let's get rid of it. There's a 30-minute trend here. Keep that up. See us making bearish structure on those overall. So what I'm gonna do, that there. I'm gonna get this fib fan, come right here. Now we got our levels. Something like that. Drop back down to a lower time frame. You can see we're rejecting that level here, potentially coming to bounce off of this level here. And so it gives us a good idea, a good outlook of what potentially could happen. No, is we don't know. We just draw lines. You dig? All right, let's go back to trading view. Here's a pretty decent bearish volume in the market. I can see that the TDI is flipped down, accumulation is flipped, starting to dip down. Asia high is pretty much the 50% line of that a bullish push. Tapping into a 5-minute order block. Let's see how it reacts. Hope everybody's good. Keep watching. We are in profit. It's to say 12,346 somewhere at this area here. So let's say here. It's not exactly a 1-to-1. Well, that's a 12,350. See what that 1 minute looks like. Of course, we got a dot that's repainting. See that there's a dot here. That target for a partials protect at entry and leave a runner. So let's see if we can hit this little red line. Just keep an eye out as we sip. I don't understand. Joined by my co-pilot, Shanna D. She's trading a live account in our missions headquarters. Should be having some more folks jump on here in a sec. Well, thank everybody for watching. If you watched this far, hopefully you're getting some value out of this. Go ahead and gently hit that thumbs up button. Be so kind and to like this video, leave a comment if you have a question. Then do us a favor and turn on those notifications, man. Ring that tiny bell. Sign up so you don't ever miss whenever we post a new video for missions trading. All right, so on 5 minute, we got a break of structure going down. So go ahead and get ready based on this bearish volume. I'll go ahead and get ready to take half. You know what? Let's just get real with it. Let's take 90%. Okay, you're not gonna work. It's not working. There it goes. Didn't quite get there. Let's see if it wants to get there. At this point, I'll just take half. And then now I will protect. In profit. How about 25 points in profit? That is a good day, ladies and gentlemen. It has potential to come and smack that, take that stop loss in profit, take us out, and we would be down. We would be out of this trade in profit. Close 90% at this level. I were to move risk to this entry candle, look like we got a 1 to 3. If I moved it to the structure candle, which is what we were on, we were at a 0.8. So this is what our initial entry looked like. Now, see how it's kind of stopped at the bottom of this white box? That's the consolidation box we drew. And now it gets through that, may see price dip down into these lower price ranges. So we're just gonna let this runner run. This is what you call leaving the runner run. And on 5 minute, I see we're getting a dot. So that would be TP1 for me. This next dot would be TP2. If we get even lower, then it would be the next 5 minute dot, TP3. Something like that. Looking at how it would react to all those levels. Then this orange line, the tomato, I'd see how it react to the tomato. It always has a reaction on the tomato, especially on the lower time frames, on every time frame actually. But we'll see how it pans out. Decent day for trading, if you ask me. All right, here comes some bullish buyers into the market. 10 till the hour. Go back and look at some of these guys. Yeah, so we had a very decent GAN flip here. If I take this to the hour, you can see that based on our rules, GAN flip is a valid entry for a sell because of the hour. Okay, the hour wick fill that we created and then started to exit. Now, based on this bullish move up, okay, get these levels, the 38% and the 50%. And we're looking to see if it wants to tap into that 30% level right there. So, not a bad trading day at all. Look at what we've done today. It was about 589, which is super low on this account. A runner running, and these other entries were from last night. So it's runner run. So whether this decides to take further bearish momentum down or if it decides to reverse, either way, I think we'll be good for the day. What y'all think? Think we're good? It's a good entry? Oh yeah, it was an amazing entry. Come on, y'all. Like it up. Like this video. So here seems a little bit different. So we don't typically do this on this channel, but I just have to go see what's going on with Bitcoin. Let's look at this weekly level. Okay. So, like Bitcoin has taken a dive, the high of 24,000, potentially coming back down to the 18,000 range. So, shall see. Got the 4 hour. Let's turn these guys off. Okay. So 4 hours saying something like this. It's a huge bearish structure right here for a turnaround. See what these pivots are saying. Okay. You can see some bearish momentum in the market on Bitcoin. If y'all are holding Bitcoin, what about Apple? Well, looks like it's the reason we took a bullish turn up in the NAS. See Apple stock go up. Let's see the weekly. So they're high. Let's look at that. So Apple's high was here. That was January 3rd, 2022, and it took a dive. Let's see if I can get that. It took a dive down 30%. Took a dive down 30%. And so now we're sitting roughly at the 17%. So the halfway point, that's what's interesting about Apple. Do the same kind of deal from this high to this low. And look where it's hanging out, right in between these two lines. So this last week closed above the 50% line, which is a sign that it could potentially continue wanting to go up higher. But it also did that on this week too. So it's different, but we're just keeping our eyes peeled what Apple stock wants to do, because it highly affects what we trade, NAS100. See, it almost looks exactly the same. If I zoom in here, it's just 30-minute. And you see NAS100, 30-minute. So I'll get down to we got down to our first TP. That was good. Take profit. This sale, now it's starting to show bullish structure on the lower time frame. So let's jump down to 5 minute. It's 8:56 currently. Okay, so we broke through the consolidation zone, lower time frame. We want to see it break through that consolidation zone on a higher time frame. Getting caught up on this level here. See if we can go further down. Feeling good this morning? You should be feeling great. And flip down. And flip down. Saw 20 points, and you're currently sitting at 14 points. Getting a 1-to-1. That's it. All right, guys, we're back here on the chart. 8 a.m. looking at NAS. We are currently in a sell. It's on our rules. Here's an hour wick fill. We always want to look for the most distinct wick fills that is currently happening. Okay. Right here, we want to probably, if you're in this sell, you definitely want to consider protecting, because on the hour is when we see entries being made, orders being filled. So we could see this bullish retracement back into this hour order block. All right. Hopefully you're protected. We took 90% when it reached TP1, which is this first red line here on carbon. Our second TP would be here, based on this dot on carbon. And then this third TP would be down here, this dot on carbon capital. The best. Okay, so if we go back and look, you can see here we are potentially making a turnaround based on this AI indicator, which means when we're outside of this channel, flipping to the opposite direction. Once it gets outside the channel, see, all night we've stayed in the channel, but once we get outside of it, could be flipping that channel around. Here we're looking at smart money concepts. We exited the premium zone. Now we are a change of character, break of structure, headed down to the discount area, which would be 12,222. All right. So just looking at all kinds of different things. We can get this for the time being. See how it prints. We can actually go to a lower time frame. You can see that we've already crossed the equilibrium. 6:30 till 8 a.m. This bearish push down. You can see if price wants to come into this area, this 5-minute order block, which is this blue bar here. Knows we're just gonna wait. Guys, now they're looking to potentially retrace back up. So at this point, 25 points. We could, closer we get to the market open, move that in profit. A bit more. See, I'm at 30, there's 40, here's 50. Five. Seeing see how much bulls are in the market right now. Here, a big map. See, looking at pivots. No, I'm looking for a continuation today. Continuing this bullish push overnight. See if I can plot that a bit better. It's coming from this level to that level. Something like that. Well, it's showing some volume. This is what we were intending to see at the top of the hour. It stopped out in profit. $50 in profit. Tweezers on the 15-minute, 30-minute. See if the stop loss in profit holds up when the market opens. That would be interesting. Gotta have good coffee while you're trading. It's always important. Let's see here. It's interesting. Just kind of getting a quick overview. Let's go back to 5 minutes here. You can see here from a higher perspective. Weekly zone is up here. Our weekly zone to the bottom. Significant turnaround is, which would be somewhere right here. We know what kind of range we're trading in. Something like that. Take it down to a lower time frame. See a bit better. And what kind of range we've covered. Something like that right there. There it is. It's more of like a 4-hour frame. Ain't nobody trying to hold these trades that long, unless you're a swing trader. We're almost to the New York Stock Exchange open. See if we want to touch that 50% mark. So the question is about the gold bars. Gold bars are drawn up on the 4-hour time frame. I call them gold bars because price tends to respect the 4-hour wick zones, wick fields, pretty consistently. As you can see here, this gold wick was formed 7th. Price comes through it, and then over the span of course of several days, it comes back to it and respects it, meaning that it didn't fall through it. Hope that makes sense. And it found stability in that range, and then it shot out of there, which is the same thing that happened at this wick field. Price comes down here, makes a wick field, and then all of these 4-hour candles fail to push through it, which makes it a pretty stable range. Every time it came into it, it just shot out of it until it goes through it. So I always put those 4-hour wick fields in gold, and then the hour or 30-minute, I'll put in red. So right here, this is an hour wick fill that printed at 6 a.m. and it was pretty significant turnaround. Handle that we are currently sitting at. So that's why it would be important to us, because that's what's happening now.
So I have.
Looks like we're getting stopped out in profit. So if you made it this far, then I appreciate you watching this video. Taking a simple trade. Look at that, knocks me out and then leaves a wick. But taking a simple trade, a simple scalp trade. So we're scalping NAS100. That's what I'm going to call this video. Scalping NAS100. And it still takes a little bit of time to develop. Still have rules. So, all right, guys, that is going to do it for this video. Remember, always trade safe. Rules, trade with a mission. All right, guys. See you in the next video. Peace.